Short conversation sentences. तेज भागना, run fast. Run fast. जल्दी आना, come soon. Come soon. जल्दी करो, hurry up. Hurry up. चस्पा करें, paste it. Paste it. चलो, let's go. Let's go. क्यों नहीं, why not? Why not? घर आ जाओ, come home. Come home. ले जाओ या दूर ले जाना, take away. Take away. ले लो, take it. Take it. मत मारो, don't hit. Don't hit. चलो, let's go. Let's go. खामोश रहो, be quiet. Be quiet. दूर रहो, stay away. Stay away. रुको, hold on. Hold on. रो मत, don't cry. Don't cry. उसने जल्द खाना खाया, he ate soon. He ate soon. नौकरी तलाश करो, find a job. Find a job. ओ अच्छा, oh I see. Oh I see. किसने रक्स किया, who danced. Who danced. किसी ने नहीं दिया, nobody gave. Nobody gave. मोबाइल से मत खेलो, don't play with mobile. Don't play with mobile. जाओ बाहर खेलो, go play outside. Go play outside. साफ सुथरा लिबास पहने, wear neat dress. Wear neat dress. उस्ताद के साथ बदतमीज़ी ना करें, don't be rude to teacher. Don't be rude to teacher. थैले में पानी की बोतल रखो, put water's bottle in the bag. Put water's bottle in the bag. क्या मैं बैठ सकता हूँ, may I sit. May I sit. क्या वो यहाँ है, is he here. Is he here. क्या हम जाएंगे, shall we go. Shall we go. क्या हो रहा है, what's up. What's up. संजीदा हो जाओ, be serious. Be serious. बराए मेहरबानी तशरीफ़ रखें, please sit. Please sit. बराए मेहरबानी मदद करें, please help. Please help. कोई मसला नहीं, no problem. No problem. कोई बात नहीं, never mind. Never mind. कौन जानता है, who knows. Who knows.